The 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. This is an extended cab pickup truck with a 6.5-foot bed, powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine. With a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, this vehicle, with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 19 miles per gallon. This Chevrolet features oversized premium wheels, bed liner, and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags, OnStar, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, power steering, and power door locks. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with the Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.